In this video, we're going to learn how to try to make a prediction on something. So if we have a problem like this that says if you select a marble without looking and put it back 8 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times you will pick a purple marble? So we're looking for the best possible prediction. So the first thing to do is to understand the meaning of probability. The probability is the number of favorable outcomes out of the number of possible outcomes. So what does that mean for this? So now we need to understand how many different outcomes there are, right? So since there are 8 marbles, there are 8 possible outcomes. And so we have this number now. The number of possible outcomes are 8. Because we could pick this one, 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 or this one when we pick our 8 times. So now we need to know what is the number of favorable outcomes. So let's figure that out. So the favorable outcome is if we get purple, right? That's the favorable one. That's the one that we're trying to get. Since there are 5 purple marbles, there are 5 favorable outcomes. We could probably pick it 5 times, right? So then, the probability of getting a purple marble at any one time is 5 out of 8, right? It's the favorable outcomes out of the number of possible outcomes. So we know the favorable outcomes is 5, and then the possible outcomes is 8, so 5 out of 8, or 5/8. Now, since we will be picking 8 times, then we just multiply this by 8. Because this is our most favorable outcome, we will pick it 5 out of 8 times. And then we're choosing 8 times, right? So then 5/8 times 8 equals 5. So the final answer is the best prediction possible is that we pick a marble 5 out of the 8 times that we pick. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this. So you could watch those and get extra practice. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in it, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.